Hello, my name is Gürhan Sevinç. I am the International Dealership Unit Director at Rulomatik. I wanted to give information about step-by-step process to becoming a dealer or distributor for Rulomatik. First of all, after making your application, our experts will contact with you to make an introductory meeting. In that meeting, we wanted to know you a little bit more better and to give information about how we are working, what's our strategy. After our introductory meeting, we will send you the offer mail. In that offer mail, you will see the terms and conditions, the price list, and the minimum investment range. After you accepting this offer, we will send you the next step mail, which includes questions that we wanted to know about how you will manage your Rulomatik, what will be your strategy about marketing, and what will be your financial projection. After getting these answers from you, we will make our homework and present you to our general management. And if they will say, okay, we will go forward, congratulations. Then we will go with the contactless trade agreement stage.